Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a signed-in Microsoft account and an updated browser. This avoids access errors. Once done, open Bing, com/create or the Bing app and pick Image Creator. You should decide what kind of name image you want, literal text, stylized lettering, or a monogram, because that choice changes prompts and settings. Make sure to note color, mood, and any symbols now, since those initial choices guide how the generator composes layout and font suggestions. You now craft a precise prompt because Image Creator interprets specifics literally. Start with the exact name text, then add font descriptors like serif, handwritten, or neon, and mention colors and tone. Next, specify context, say a textured paper background, soft studio lighting, or a floating 3D effect, which influences depth and shadow. Also include technical constraints such as aspect ratio, transparent background, or simplified detail. These reduce trial and error. Keep prompts concise but complete, and use commas to separate style choices for clarity. You finish by generating several variants and selecting the strongest candidate. Clicking Edit or Upscale refines clarity and crop. Export as PNG for transparency or SVG if you need vector scalability, and verify resolution matches your use case. If the name looks off, troubleshoot. Simplify the prompt wording, lower style complexity, or explicitly restate font and color to override default tendencies. Finally, make small iterative changes, because adjusting one variable at a time reveals what influences the result most and speeds convergence to the desired image.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.